If you're a Nigerian or a Nigerian neighbor, you're welcome. This video is to remind you that this is weekend and you need to make some yummy
Henrietta
akara
now will do
for your
sauce for
family
Akara.
for breakfast or a snack. Yeah. So here I have my delicious and fluffy akara, which I made for my family. So let me share with you how I made it and how you can make yours. Let's
Yummy.
get started.
Mm, mm, mm.
First, I get my beans, select it to remove stones and dirt from it. Then I wash and soak it in water for about 5 minutes. After which, I'll proceed to peel off the skin of the beans. To peel it, I'll be using blender. To peel this, I'll add the beans or transfer the beans into the blender, pour it enough water, then pulse it for about 3 to 4, 5 times until the skin peels off. Wash it, wash off the skin, and then your beans is ready for blending. Yeah, keep watching.
A sprinkle of time, a dash of peace. Gentle notes like a summer breeze. Chopping sounds in harmony. Kitchen tune so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew. Warmth in every melody flows through.
You can see that the skin is off. The next thing I'm going to do is to add it enough water. The skin of the beans will separate at the top. Then I will sieve it out and our beans will be ready.
Rolling dough and stirring dreams, cooking life's most tender themes. Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices red. A calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Steam rising like a piano side. Golden crust, the soft notes fly. Corner dish each key is spice. Cause your kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum the tune.
After rinsing the beans about 2, 3, 4 times, this is what we have. Our beans is clean and ready to be blended. So the next thing I'm going to do is to blend our beans for akara. And I'll be blending this with peppers and plenty onions. Yes, plenty onions makes akara yummy without adding so many other things. Just enough onions in your blended beans will make your akara yummy and delicious. Yes, quote me anywhere. So I'll go ahead, transfer this into the blender, add some peppers, add some onions, and a little water. Emphasis on little water because we are making akara, not moi moi. Yeah.
A recipe for peace in every sound. Where love
And then we blend this until very smooth to your touch. Yep.
for food is truly profound. Whispering flavor.
I'm done blending all the beans we're using for this akara. So the next we're going to do now is to whisk it. To get fluffy akara, you need to whisk your beans. So you can use a spatula for this, your kitchen spatula. You can also use hand whisk, but I'm using my electric mixer for this. So this will help it to be fluffy enough. So whisk until maybe it has a kind of risen in size. You will see it will become smoother, softer, and fluffier. When it is that, then you know that the akara, your beans is ready to be fried into akara. This can take about 5 minutes, 7 minutes, depending on your strength or the whisk you're using or the mixer you're using. Next, I'll add some salt to taste. Then I will mix it one more time, this time around with my spoon, and then heat up some oil and start frying the akara.
Birds floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare. A calm
I just tested it for salt and it's okay. Then we'll proceed to fry the akara. Please, I did not swallow that. Don't swallow it. Please spit it out. Don't swallow it if you don't want any problem. Then once your oil is hot enough, not too hot so that the akara doesn't burn without frying inside, and not low so that the akara doesn't soak oil. You just have to be moderately in between the very hot and the hot.
embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum.
Fry this for a few minutes and then flip to the other side, and continue to fry and flip until they become golden brown on both sides.
A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound.
At this point, your yummy and fluffy akara is ready. Take it out from the oil and enjoy. You can enjoy this with pap, with bread, with custard, with agidi, or any other thing of your choice. You can just enjoy this alone with your chilled coke or chilled juice. Yeah, do you? So this is how to make your yummy, fluffy, and soft akara. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.
Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices.